Welcome back to Designing Engaging Content Part 2. During this video, we'll explore how to create achievements to gamify learning in your course. Let's take a look at the Achievement tool. It is used to create badges and certificates for students to recognize their work and to be used as milestones of goals met. Achievements are not shown under Course Tools by default. To turn them on, scroll down to Customization and select Tool Availability. Make sure there are check marks under Achievements. Now that we have the Achievements tool turned on in your course, let's go in and create an achievement. Navigate to the Control Panel under Course Tools and select Achievements. Hover over Create Achievement. There are 3 different types: Course Completion, Milestone, and Custom. Let's look at our first achievement type, the Milestone. Each achievement must have at least one rule that triggers the release of the specific reward when completed. We need to complete the general information about our achievement, define one or more triggers, and select one or more rewards for successful completion. Begin by providing a name for the achievement. I'm going to name mine Outstanding Job for Exam 1. Decide where in your course you'd like the achievement to be displayed and browse for that location. Then, select if you want the achievement to be visible to students before receiving it. This determines if students can see the existence of the achievement before earning it. If you choose yes, the reward is meant to motivate all students. If you select no, there will be a special reward that will only be granted to specific students that should not be seen by everyone. I'm going to select yes because I would like to motivate everyone in the class. Add a description if you like and click Define Triggers. This will take us to the Define Triggers page. For an achievement, you can define one or more rules that will trigger the release of that reward. You must define at least one rule. The Achievements tool uses Blackboard Learn's adaptive release technology. Achievements can be given based on a particular date, membership for a specific user or group, for a Grade Center item, or for reviewing specific course content. If you choose more than one trigger criteria for a rule, users must meet all of the criteria before the achievement is successfully completed. If there is one or more rule, users only need to successfully meet all the criteria in one rule to complete the achievement. Now you may name your rule and choose a display option date. Setting a display after date means students cannot earn the reward before the date, even if they have already met the criteria. This feature is optional to include. If no date is selected, this achievement can be completed at any time. Display after is not the same as an end date and is not a deadline. Next, we can select membership options. Under membership, achievement can be given to specific users or groups if you so choose. If we scroll down to the grade options, we can select a Grade Center column. This option requires a specific recorded grade that must be made to complete this achievement. Choose a Grade Center item and select the necessary conditions. Since mine is an outstanding job on Exam 1, I am going to click on Test 1. To set my criteria, I would like the percent for the test to be greater than or equal to 85%. Now, click Add Item. You may also add additional items for grade criteria if desired. Here we have the Review Status criteria. The Review Status option forces students to review specific content to complete the achievement, such as requiring your class to review the course syllabus. Use the Add function to add additional content to be reviewed as needed. If different criteria are needed for accommodations or to add different performance criteria to receive the reward, select Add Another Rule. Once you have selected all the options you would like, click Select Reward. On the Select Rewards option page, first type in the issuer name, which would be your name, the expiration date of the reward, and then choose how many days this reward will be valid for. You may also leave those 2 blank if you'd like. Then go to the reward options. Now, choose a badge image. Once you have these options selected, click Save and Exit. Now, let's take a look at the course completion achievement type. Hover over Create Achievement and click Course Completion. Keep in mind, to help us navigate where we are in the achievement making process, we have 3 tabs for navigating the setup process: About, Define Triggers, and Select Reward. Begin by giving the achievement a name. I'll name this achievement Course Completion. Fill in the necessary achievement information. Then, define triggers. We have the same options as before. This time, for the grade, we will select the total column, choose %, and from the drop-down menu, select greater than or equal to 70%, and click Add Item. Next, let's go to the review status. In order to obtain the certificate, I would like each of them to view the syllabus. Click Browse to find where the syllabus is located in your course, and click Add. Now, click Select Reward, enter the award details, and fill in the issuer's name. You can also enter an expiration date and number of days valid for it if you'd like. Under Reward Options, you can choose a certificate style and/or badge icon. Then, click Save and Exit. Let's take a look at the instructor's view of the Achievements tool. Navigate to Course Tools and click on Achievements. Here we will see a list of all the achievements for the course. Click on Recipients to see a list of each student and the date they received the reward. Click on a student's name to see which achievements they have successfully completed and which achievements they still need to earn. It's important to have an understanding of what students will see when they view their achievements. But first, we have to add a link to the achievements on the course menu. Go to the plus sign in the top left corner and select Tool Link. Enter a name such as My Achievements. Then, click on Achievements from the drop-down menu for type. Make sure to click Available to all users, and then press Submit. To view achievements from the student's perspective, enter the Student Preview mode by going to the right-hand corner and clicking on the Student Preview icon. If we click on the tool link My Achievements in the course menu, we can see all the achievements in the course, earned achievements, and unearned achievements. To review the requirements to complete an achievement, click on the bulleted list icon. Here we can see that we have to get above a 70% in the course and review the syllabus. Let's view the syllabus to complete one of these rules. Navigate to where the syllabus is located in the course. Then click Mark as Reviewed, indicating that you have read over the syllabus. Go back to My Achievements. Here we can see that one of the criteria has been completed, and we only have one left to complete in order to gain the certificate. This concludes Part 2 of the Designing Engaging Content. Join us next in Part 3. See you soon!